वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
السلام عليكم أستاذ أنا سند.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम Sanad, how are you? Hello, Sanad.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ahmed Abdul Halim.
Hello Ahmed, how are you?
Hello teacher, my name is Hamid.
Hello teacher,
How are you?
How are you?
نعم أستاذ
I'm
معاك.
Kareem.
Okay.
Hello
Hello
teacher,
Karim.
my
Good
name is
afternoon,
Hamid.
Good afternoon, teacher Ahmed Abdul Halim.
Hello Ahmed, how are you?
Hello
Good,
teacher,
how are
my
you?
name is Hamid.
I'm good.
Hello teacher, my name is Kareem.
Hello Karim.
Hello teacher, my name is Hamid.
I'm fine.
Hello teacher, my name is Hamid.
Hello Hamid, how are you?
I am fine.
Welcome
Good,
back.
good.
Rayyan.
Hello Rayyan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Welcome
Assalamu alaikum,
to all of
Ustad.
you. Walaikum assalam.
Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hello Rami. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Teacher,
Yes.
don't get the book. I
Why?
don't get the book.
No, it's old book. You have it, man.
No, I don't have it.
You don't have science book?
Mom, don't get it from the school.
No, it's old book like before you have, man. It's older book, what you use in first term.
Okay.
Unit number 4, yeah, the same book. The new books are for Arabic only, not for English. English are same, I think.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you are welcome.
أستاذ أنا راشد.
Ala Rashid. Okay, open your books, page 72. Page 72. Primary? Primary? Hello boys, you have books, right? Open page 72. Ahmed, can you hear me? Ahmed Abdul Halim, Fahad.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, open your books, page 72. It's your unit number 4, second term, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
In second term, we are going to start unit number 4, which is about forces. Okay, with me. Abdul Aziz Jaid, are you there? Abdul Aziz. Okay, is there?
نعم يا أستاذ.
Okay, got it. Then we have Ahmed Abdul Halim. Asil Mawjood. Okay, Kareem is there. Ayham, are you there? Ayham. Badr. Okay, Fahad Saud. You are Fahad is there. Okay, Faisal Khalid. Hamid is there. Hussein is there. Okay. Munabba, are you there? Munabba Azhari. Okay. Muhammad Hummam. Okay, is there.
موجود يا أستاذ.
Okay, Habibi. Muawiyah is not there. Muayyid. Mawjood Muayyid?
Teacher, I'm here.
Okay, Rami, I know. Nadir is there. Muayyad, are you there? Muawiyah and Muayyad. Nawaf is there. Nawaf Al-Amri is not there. Rami is there. Okay. Rashid, then Rayan. Rayan, are you there? Rayan?
Yes.
Okay. Then Sanad. Okay. Saud. Are you there, Saud? Saud Ali. Yazan Muhammad. And Ziyad is there. Okay. Yazan Muhammad. Saud, are you there? Tell me. Okay, Yazan has joined. Okay. Ahmed, what do you think? What are forces? Forces.
What?
What are forces? What do you mean by forces? Hamid, okay, I know you are there.
What, mister?
Introducing forces. This is your unit, right? Page 72.
Yes.
So tell me, what are forces? ايش معنى forces? Can you explain? What do you think about?
نفتح الكتاب.
أيوة عبد العزيز. Open your books.
What are words, mister?
Yeah, yes. What are forces? What do you think? Okay. Munabba, are you there? Munabba Azhari?
نعم أستاذ.
Okay, Munabba, tell me about forces. Do you know? Sorry, Munabba, again, open your mic.
Hello teacher, I am Ihan.
Okay, Ayham.
What is the forces? مش عارف.
What are
فين؟
forces? Ahmed or
أستاذ الغابات.
okay,
أستاذ
Munabba.
الغابات.
Yes, Ahmed. Can you tell me anything?
Yes.
Hussein, are you there?
Yes.
Don't
What,
open.
mister?
Yes.
I'm thinking.
Don't open your mics. Fahad, yes.
اسكتي. مستر.
Yes, Fahad.
حدا يجاوب. حدا يجاوب.
Yes, yes, Habibi. What are forces? Tell me.
فورسز يعني قوة.
Aywa, ya salam. Forces yani quwwa. If you lift your book or if you write with your pen, if you drink water, yani if you lift the glass of the water, or if you lift your book, you are using forces. Okay. You, yes, Nawaf. Yes, Hussein.
أستاذ فتحت المايك بالغلط.
Okay, no problem. Hussein. Yes.
Okay, so it says, wait, let me see. Yeah, the Great Pyramid in Egypt.
Yeah. No, Hussein, can you tell me about forces? Something about force?
What?
Can you tell me something about forces? What do you know? What do you think about forces? What are forces? Yeah.
Forces are pushes and pulls.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Hussein. Okay, so forces are push or pull. If you pull or push, they are forces. Okay. So in this, okay, Hussein, lower your hand, please. Okay, in this chapter, in this unit, you will learn that pushes and pulls are examples of forces. Yani push, this man or this picture, in this picture, the boy is pushing. Push yani duf, right? Yes, Rashid, you have anything?
أستاذ
أيوة.
الكتاب نفسه ولا لازم واحد جديد؟
لا كتاب science نفسه.
طيب.
Yes, the same book. Okay. Then second point is learn that we can measure forces with force meters. Then describe how forces can change the shape of objects. Explore how forces can make objects start or stop moving. Understand how forces can make objects move faster or slower or change direction. Right? These all points we will discuss in this unit. Okay. So here we have some words in word cloud as we do before. We will read them and write in your notebooks. Okay. You will write all these words in your notebooks. Yani fil daftar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 words only.
اكتبها في الدفتر يا أستاذ.
Yes, you will write them in your notebooks. Okay. Who will read? Anybody? Read these words.
Me, please.
Yes, Ahmed. Okay, start.
Push, force, pull, stop, start,
Okay. Wait. This is weight.
Wait.
Wazan. This weight is for wazan. That the other one,
Wait.
W-A-I-T weight, it's mean intazar, any weight.
Wait.
What is this?
friction,
Friction. When there is
friction,
okay, when there is T-I-O-N, it's mean shun. This the sound of these is shun. Friction.
Okay,
All
thank
these
you.
words sound like shun. Okay. Yes, I am.
Teacher,
One by one, huh? Okay, Fahad, just 1 second. I am, yes.
أستاذ أبقى.
Yes, okay, read.
Push,
Push, not push.
push, pull, force, wait, stop, start, friction.
Friction, yes. Very good. Okay, Fahad, open your mic.
Teacher, I want to read.
Wait.
What?
Aywa, Fahad, read these words.
Push, push,
Okay,
pull,
okay,
force,
yes.
stop,
Very good.
broken,
شوف انت ما اسمها كويس ها. You should listen good. This is weight. I told you now weight. Weight يعني وزن. هذا weight وزن.
wait, friction,
Friction. I موجود I. Friction.
friction, stretch.
Start. What is start? Start.
Start
Yes, Muayyad.
Teacher, I want to read.
Teacher, I want to read.
Everybody will read. Please be quiet.
Teacher,
Don't
I
open
want
your.
to read.
Rami, wait. If you open your mic, you will not read. Wait. Okay. Abdulaziz, open your mic.
نعم stop.
أيوة read يا حبيبي اقرأ.
Push, force,
أيوة.
pull,
Very good.
stop,
أيوة.
wait,
Come on. Wait, not wait. Wait. Okay.
wait,
Friction.
friction,
Friction.
friction,
Okay.
start.
Start. Very good, Abdulaziz. Thank you. Rami, open your mic.
push. أستاذ أبقرأ بعد رامي.
سند ما يقرأ. أنت افتح مايك ما يقرأ. Don't open your mic, I said. Okay.
Force,
Good.
wait,
Okay.
stop, friction,
Friction.
friction,
Yes, friction. Very good.
stop, start,
Okay. This one.
wait.
Wait. Yes, salam.
Wait.
Thank you, Rami. Okay. Munabba, open your mic.
نعم أستاذ.
أيوة اقرأ يا حبيبي.
push, pull, forest,
Okay.
stop, start, friction,
Hello,
wait.
Muawiya. Welcome, Muawiya. Okay. Rashid, open your mic. انت اقرا اول ولا لا؟
لا ما قرأت أستاذ.
يلا اقرا يا حبيبي. Read it please.
push,
Yes.
pull,
Very good.
friction,
Yes. Carry on.
wait, stop,
Hello, sir. How are you? The net is not working. Internet. So I came
push,
here. Yes. The key is with the Idris maybe.
pull,
Okay, I will come.
push,
Okay.
pull, friction, wait, stop, force, start.
Excellent, Rashid. Thank you. Okay, Muayyid, open your mic. Muayyid.
Yes, teacher.
Aywa Habibi. Read please.
Push, force,
Aywa.
stop,
Okay.
go, wait, start, friction.
Very good. Thank you. Kareem, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Aywa, read ya Habibi. Thank you, Muayyid. Okay. Yes, Kareem, read please. Read please, Kareem.
Yes.
Yes. Come on, Kareem, read.
Bush,
Huh.
bull, force, friction,
Very good. This one.
star, with,
Wait. Okay. You read good. Wait. Then
start,
start. Very good. Okay. Now everybody who didn't read, yani Tamma Ikra, you will read with me, okay? Because we will go
Ustad,
forward.
أنا.
Okay, okay. Everybody, don't open
أستاذ
your
أنا
mic. Just
خلصت
read.
الكلمات كتبت.
Don't open your mic. Just read with me. Yes and wait. Okay. This word is push. Push means this boy, this man is pushing this stone, this big stone. The man or the boy is pushing. Okay, is pushing the stone. If you see pull means if somebody is bringing something near to him. Huh? If if there is a man, another man, which is pulling this towards him, this is called pull. This is called push. Okay. Then, and if you push like this, something like this man, and if you pull from here, if you grab and pull, this is called pull. Pull. Okay. Then force, push, pull, friction. These are forces. Then wait, wazn, stop and start. Stop means when you make anything, if something is moving and you will make it stop. Okay, yani waqf. And start means ibda, yani start. So friction, what is friction? Friction is between this stone and this mountain. In between there is friction. Then friction is in between this shoe and the mountain. So there is also friction. Like if you play football, between football and the earth there is friction. The place where you are playing, the ground or the grass and football, in between there is friction. Understand? You got it right?
Yes.
Okay. Now read this. Okay. Now here we will talk about push and pull. Look, this baby is pushing this cart. Okay, the baby is pushing, and these, here you can see small boats, they are pulling this. Okay, they are pulling something. Okay, is this a ship or what they want? They are pulling them. Okay, so pull means when you bring something towards you. Yani I don't know what you say in Arabic, but push means duf, right? These are,
Yes.
these both are forces. Okay, then
like ادفع.
push yani duf, right? And pull means when you bring something towards you, that is pull. Okay, so push, you must understand that pushes and pulls are forces, and you are many times you are pushing or pulling something. Like if you lift your pencil from the table, glass of water, your bag, your laptop, even you open your door towards you. Okay, these all are pulling. Okay, you pull everything when you take something or grab something towards you, that is pull. Okay, like this boy, the other force is push. This baby is pushing. Push means like if you are playing football, you are pushing the football with your feet, right? When you play football, you are pushing. Okay, or when you throw something, yani irmiya shay, that is called also, that is called pulls. So these are pulls forces, right? Okay, have you pushed or pulled something today? Yes, we do. Like you are, maybe you are grabbing your mobile. So you lift your mobile first from your couch or from your from in your room, from your table, anywhere. Okay, think about when you got dressed, yani anta elbis, and you went out the bedroom. And in Tarohbarra, you are using force. A force is push or pull. You cannot see the force, but you can see what it does. يعني ممكن انت ما يشوف force يعني قوة، انت ما يشوف ممكن لكن هو موجود. Like if you can feel the air يعني هوا. You can feel the air, right or wrong? So that is also a force. Look at these photographs and answer the questions. Okay. What are the small boats doing? Circle the correct answer or word. They are dash, pulling or pushing the crane. This is a crane, and these small boats are, yes, Hussein. Hussein.
Teacher,
Yes.
you know the force, right?
Yeah.
So are we from Star Wars or what?
Sorry. Again.
Are we from Star Wars or what?
No.
The force controlled by Baby Yoda, huh? Controlled. I'm gonna try to float this pan.
Okay, Hussein, can you tell me about these boats? These boats are pulling or pushing this crane?
Pulling.
Pulling. Excellent. Thank you. Yes, Fahad.
مستر
Aywa.
أستاذ عايز أجاوب.
Yeah, Habibi. These boats are pulling or pushing? Any other pull or push?
بول
Pull. Yeah, salam. So you will circle this answer. Pull. Faham?
Yeah.
Okay, you will just circle this answer. Pulling. They are pulling, not pushing. Right?
Yeah.
If you want, you can make a line on this to cross it. So it means they are pulling towards them. They are bringing this towards them. So this is called pull. They are pulling the crane. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Other answer. Other question is, what is this child doing? Circle the correct answer. Now, what is this child doing? Who will answer?
سلام.
Alaikum salam. Asil, Habibi. Ahmed, can you tell
Me,
me?
Mister.
Yes, Ahmed, please. Aywa,
Pushing.
Yazan. Yazan, open your mic. Muawiyah, Fahad, Faisal.
Pushing, Mister.
Aywa, thank you.
pushing استاذ
Okay.
You're welcome.
Aywa, Faisal. Pushing, ya salam. Muawiyah.
pushing
Yes, Rami. Muhammad Humam.
pushing
Aywa. This boy is pushing. Thank you. Rashid, Rayan,
pushing
Yazan, Sanad. This baby is
pushing
pushing. Yes, you will cross this or you make a
Pushing.
line on this word. Okay, thank you. Make a line on pulling and circle pushing. This child is pushing the push chair. Push chair, bardu jawab mawjood, push chair. Okay, this is the word makes easy for you. Thank you, Muawiyah. Thank you, Faisal. Okay. You understood, right? Okay, now we are moving towards page 75. Page 75, okay? So what is your homework? Your homework is you will write these words in your notebooks. Yani iktib hada fil daftar, okay? You got it? You will write these words in your notebooks. These words, okay? All of these words, 9. Sorry, 7. Okay? Push, force, stop, pull, wait, start, and friction. You will write them in your notebooks, يعني في الدفتر, okay?
teacher
أيوة.
أستاذ ممكن تعيد معناتهم أستاذ يعني نكتب هذول كلهم
Yes, these all words you will write يعني اكتب في الدفتر in your notebooks. Yes.
عيد المعاني يا أستاذ
Okay, Habibi. This push means duf. Okay, like this man is pushing. Pull means
أستاذ سطرني الجو
sorry. Again. Okay, pull means when you pull something. These boats are pulling. Yani they are bringing something towards them. Push means this boy is pushing. Right? Then you have force, push, pull, friction. These are all forces. Wait yani wazan, stop yani waqif, start yani ibda. Okay? Humam? Muhammad Humam khalas?
Yes
Mister, I sent the homework.
Okay, Abdul Halim, thank you. Next, you will do this in your books, but don't send me this page because we have 2 questions.
Teacher, what's the homework?
Kareem, somebody has sent me the homework and you are asking? Come on. Iktibada kullu fi daftar. This is your homework first. Then don't send me this page, okay? Because you have here 1 question and here. We will do this in next period, okay? Next class, inshallah. Then you have 1 more homework, which is in your book, fil kitab. Lowan, yani color. This
Ustaz.
and this, page 75. Color these 2 pictures. Lawan, okay? Here is water, here are boards, and this is crane. And this boy and push chair and grass and whatever you want, you can color, okay? Color this and this. Any question?
No.
No, thank you, teacher.
Okay. So, يعني عندك 2 واجبات.
No, thank you, teacher.
واحد في الدفتر يعني انت ارسل بس الدفتر. You will send me only your book. Okay, you will write in your sorry, only notebook, okay, where you will write these words. اكتب هذا وارسلني. Okay, and this you will not send me, ما في ارسل, but color it. Color this book, this picture and this picture. Okay, now we are running out of time, so this is it for today. Any questions?
No.
So we
Now,
discussed today about forces. Push or pull. These are forces. Okay.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, everybody. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Teacher,
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Yes.
Me, it's Hussein.
Yes, Hussein. Fadda.
Do you know it said in for
Teacher, goodbye.
introducing forces?
Yes.
It says amazing fact, the Great Pyramid in Egypt. But do you know the Great Pyramid of Giza? Do you know that?
No. Can you tell me?
Yes, I don't know where it is, but I think it's larger than in Egypt.
Thank you for sharing this information. Goodbye, Moyed. Goodbye, Hussein. Goodbye, everybody.